Why establishing business fundability matters and how to achieve it easily. Fundability matters. It's so easy to get lenders to decline loan applications and creditors to not give you credit. Building a fundable business will help you get approved. The business will stand on its own. It can't look like a hobby you do in your spare time, even if it started off as a side gig. Let's look at your business name. Check your name with your Secretary of State. They might require that a business name be unique. Also ensure they have all the necessary information for your company. Make sure that you are in good standing with them and that your entity is active. You must file annual reports and pay a fee each year to stay active. Many lenders automatically decline if a business name indicates a high-risk industry. Some restricted industries include oil trading, finance, pawn shops, ammunition or weapons manufacturing, bail bonds, check cashing agencies, energy, political campaigns, and X-rated products or entertainment. If your business name shows you're in one of these industries, you may be declined. Chico's bail bonds can be renamed Chico's with no loss of integrity or clarity. High-risk and restricted industries include not just industries like bail bonds, they include industries which generally have a lot of cash transactions or the potential for injury to workers is high. Let's recap. Keep all records consistent to ensure fundability. Set up your business legitimately with a domain, phone numbers, an address, and more. Get all ID numbers and register with the IRS. Choose a business entity. Corporations are best. Make sure you've got all the necessary licenses. Set up your business bank account for fundability. And get your personal credit house in order. Contact us today to learn more about why establishing business fundability matters and how to achieve it easily.